Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. So guys, I'm really excited. As the title suggests, I'll be trying the no mirror makeup challenge. So I'll be applying my makeup with no mirror. Guys, so this is really going to be a challenge because you need to see what you're doing when you're applying makeup, and I don't have any mirror in front of me. And the products I've made sure the products I've chosen to use does not have a mirror as well, so it has like see-through covers basically, and we'll have to see how that goes. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Please remember, it is free to subscribe. There is no subscription fee on your part. It just helps us as creators. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how this goes, keep on watching. Sorry guys, the setting spray just got into my throat. So I'm done, but I'm really nervous to see what is going on because I have not used a mirror. I've applied mascara, brow mascara, lipstick with no makeup. I've blended my foundation. I don't know if it's evenly done. It felt even. Let me see. It's actually not that bad, guys. I got some brown mascara over there. Obviously went over into my hair. Wow. Okay. I think I done really well with this, guys. I was expecting a lot worse. Obviously my eyebrows, I was really nervous to do the bottom lashes, guys, because like, you know, those are really fine shorties, so to apply mascara you like need to see what you're doing type of thing. But I also didn't line my lips. I don't know if that's cheating, but I have very narrow lips, guys, and I usually overline them, so for me to try and overline without looking, it's just crazy. My lipstick, if you can see, it is over. It's definitely over the lines on the sides here, on the edges, right? So I've gone too far with the lipstick. And then I've got some mascara over here, and I don't know. You let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. And if you've not yet done this challenge, I'd like to dare you to try this challenge. It was quite fun, guys. You honestly need to just kind of get in touch with your face and just figure out, okay, where does my eyebrow start, where does it end? I mean, this is something we do all the time, guys. Obviously we use a mirror, so I was just trying to imagine, you know, myself doing it in front of the mirror. Obviously I got some things missed, but it was really fun, guys. I really enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and share it with a friend who also loves makeup. And like I said, if you yourself do makeup and you'd like to try the challenge, link it in the comments for me below and I'll check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.